Thanks, Zina. Good evening, everyone. I'm Harpreet. I head the kitchen division. Who would have thought Panasonic? Well, ACs with excellent cordless phones. Who would have thought that Panasonic has such a wide range of products under its belt? You've seen two great product launches. We've got some amazing products in our stall as well that are, that are there for you to see. Right now, it is my absolute pleasure to introduce some exclusive, unique features of Panasonic kitchens, which I will take you through right now. Could we start the presentation with our AV, please? How do you like that? Yes. So we've got some even more interesting stuff that I would love to take you through. Could we have the presentation, please? Yeah. Just to let you know, we've been doing kitchens, or rather manufacturing kitchens, for the past 60 years in Japan. So no way is this product new to us. We are one of the leading manufacturers of kitchens globally. We've introduced the brand about 4 years back. We started from Bangalore, and currently we have 15 showrooms across India. 10 of them are operational and the other 5 are in the pipeline. So great response. The response has been great not just because it is a Panasonic product. It's been great because of some absolutely fabulous features that Panasonic kitchens come with. First of all, I would rather say that Panasonic is one of the only brands that has the know-how to give you a complete 360-degree solution. We manufacture our own cabinets. We manufacture our own worktop. We manufacture our own appliances. So absolutely diversified products under one umbrella. Some of them we have brought to India. Others we are in the process of bringing. So the first, yeah. So we have our own very exclusive worktops. These worktops are patented, absolutely fabulous for usage in the Indian kitchen. As you see, we've tested them with haldi, paprika, and all the other masalas that are used in Indian cooking. Zero absorbency. Wonderful part is it's highly heat resistant. It takes up to 300 degrees Celsius of heat. So that's a very high threshold of heat. Apart from that, of course, it looks exclusive and is very easy to clean and maintain. The sinks that are provided by Panasonic go seamlessly into the countertop, and not just the countertop that comes from Japan, but also quartz. So even with an Indian procured quartz worktop, you can enjoy a beautiful, large, easy to clean Panasonic sink. One of very exclusive features that's available only with Panasonic, the bottom portion that you see, that's called the plinth space. The plinth space normally is always wasted, but with Panasonic, you can utilize even the plinth space, giving you extra 10% storage space for the same stretch. So better utilization of space, of course. Another great feature which is so beautiful and premium, all the drawers that you open are lined with SS lining. This is surgical grade steel. You don't have to worry even if your maid is using it. In case there is a little bit of moisture, you don't have to sweat about it. Even years after the usage, your drawers are going to be spick and span and shiny. Another very small feature but very nice in terms of maintenance is the rubber lining that comes along with all the cabinets, which is in the base as well as in the wall cabinet. This allows the dust not to pass through. It blocks even the critters. So lesser dust, lesser critters, healthier lifestyle. Of course, I can talk about all the accessories that are so unique and different. This is one of them. People of my height using the kitchen, impossible to reach out to the wall unit level. Panasonic has made it so much simpler to use the kitchen, because now the entire storage level up to the 7 or 8 feet height comes to your eye level. So imagine a well-organized kitchen and easy to use kitchen. Also utilizing the space that would otherwise have been gone to waste. Rice stocker. There is a separate accessory where you can store your complete rice supplies. It's a complete different compartment. It has a dispenser. You can store any other kind of grain as well, and it dispenses out the grains for you specifically. So no dabbas required. Cleaning maintenance is again one of our forte. Going along those lines, segregation of garbage is taken one step further. The entire garbage system is on casters, which you can remove, clean on a daily basis. Otherwise, garbage bins going inside a cabinet is a big no-no. Who hasn't, encountered the issue of cockroaches? Panasonic is launching its absolutely unique feature. It's a cockroach shocker system. It's a strip that's going to be installed in the bottom of the base cabinets. Whenever a critter is trying to get into the cabinet, it's going to get a very, very, very mild shock. The minute it gets a mild shock, repeatedly when it gets a shock, it is never ever going to infest the same place again. Fabulous solution for the Indian market. Even if your houses are spick and span in an apartment, who knows where our cockroaches are coming from. Great solution which we are going to be launching next. And of course, huge variety of styles, colors, finishes to select from. So be it, the home interiors where you're going in for a very classic look or a very contemporary look, we've got it all. The hardware is Bloom. Bloom specifically manufactures for the Japan kitchens. They are, of course, very well tested. Certification of highest quality assured, not just in terms of the strength of the cabinet, but the boards, the product being eco-friendly. The F4 star category certifies the same. And that's how your kitchen comes. It's manufactured in state-of-the-art plant in Japan itself. It is packed in boxes and then it is sent. So your kitchen is never flat packed, ensuring the highest quality standards in the kitchen. And of course, it's completely backed by Panasonic warranty. So a B2C kitchen coming from Japan is with 10 years warranty. We provide 2 free services every year for 3 years. So your kitchen is absolutely taken care of. Easy finance options for the end customer, some little perks, but most importantly, it's a one-stop solution. When we are providing you everything, your worktop, your appliances, your cabinetry, we are just one call away for any of your service issues. And we have something little extra for the builder segment as well. We launched a builder segment, specifically for our community, Maze series of kitchens. These are completely assembled in India because we understood the requirement. Something, you want to go one step further. You need quicker delivery periods. So all those were factored in, and we launched our Maze series kitchen specifically for the B2B market. Now, what is a B2B kitchen? A B2B kitchen is highest quality standards that you can get in a kitchen that is assembled in India. The core carcass used is always marine ply. Somehow that is of a little, although there's nothing wrong with the imported kitchens, but somehow there is still a market for the marine ply kitchen, and especially in the B2B market. So that's exactly what we provide of the highest quality. We provide top-of-the-line hardware, top-of-the-line laminates, and we put it together under the stringent quality norms of Panasonic kitchens itself. Apart from that, 5 years, it is backed by 5 years warranty, and the delivery period is one of the quickest delivery periods. Between 30 to 45 days, we can deliver the kitchen, and that's exactly what we assure you. That was about the kitchens, the kitchens in Japan, as well as the Maze series that we are assembling in India. Apart from that, we've got some very interesting products that I will very quickly take you through. Yes, we do external wall cladding. We have some amazing products. I would really request you to come to our stall to get a better understanding of the product. The boards that we use are highly weather resistant. It is self-cleaning, and even after years of usage, which we completely guarantee, it's going to be absolutely the same without any kind of fungus, mold, nothing at all. Shoe rack is something that you have experienced here itself. Apart from that, we have amazing clothes drying system. We have electronic toilet seats, and these can be fitted into any kind of basins. You do not require only a specific kind. As long as it's oblong, the seats can fit. We also have some very exclusive product called seated shower seats. especially for the elderly, or maybe, you know, after a workout when you are really tired, you do not want to stand and take a shower. It's an amazing product where you can get a complete shower experience while sitting down. Yes, we are into wooden flooring as well. So that's one of our latest launch, wooden flooring by Panasonic. We've got some really nice colors. It's engineered flooring, highly abrasive resistant, and absolutely you don't have to worry about pets or, you know, putting it in the kids' room either. So yeah, that I hope you found that really interesting. And thank you for your patience for hearing me through. And I invite you to visit our stall, Panasonic. Do drop by over there to experience all our products firsthand. And thank you very much for this opportunity. Now over to Zina. Thank you.